Have an interest in motors? Gain basic knowledge about troubleshooting motor issues.
It's kind of just being able to like work with friends like that and build like a fun engine from the ground up, and then just kind of seeing if it starts or not.
Learn about the fire triangle and what is needed for combustion. You will be hands-on building a small motor from start to finish, while also trying to get it to start.
I think it'd be beneficial like if you want to like start a career in like mechanic or maybe even like technician.
Whether it's cars, trucks, or other vehicles, you will gain the basic knowledge needed as you move forward with working on motors of all kinds.